My name is Burak Yıldız. I am electronics engineer and managing partner of Aris Enerji. Aris Enerji is primarily an engineering and R&D company. We manufacture, we design processes and equipment in accordance with customer needs. In addition, we have infrastructure and capability to produce what we design. Honestly, this was one of the most challenging projects that we were involved up to now. NP Harvest has developed a conceptual design of nutrition catcher. We as Aris Enerji contributed in basic design. Detailed engineering and detailed design was carried out by Aris Enerji team. We also handled production phase. We manufactured some of the equipment and some of the equipment are purchased by NP Harvest for us. We did integration, either manufactured or purchased items within the container. Also, software was developed by our engineering team. Up to now, we have more than 100 plants having used our equipment. In other words, we have more than 100 references. In recent years, we started exporting. Finland has an important place in our exports. In other countries, we have also installed products such as Greece, Mongolia, Colombia, and an ongoing project in Somalia. As a final word, we want to be a reliable equipment manufacturer globally.